Take a ride in the 2025 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, privacy glass, convertible soft top, tires, front, on-off road, tires, rear, on-off road, four-wheel disc brakes, traction control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.